Hey, hey, hey! Another Traveler's Notebook layout. I've brought out a few pieces that I cannot tell you where that ephemera pack is from, but I got these and these two huge taggy looking things. Brought out some twine for the tags, and I brought some of the strips in again for matting this side of the picture. You need to use the phone? I can pause it. This is my picture. Alright. Just wanted to give you a few seconds to read it. Think about it. It's true. Anyway, I got these two tags that came from the ephemera pack. And because what I feel like this is going to be, the twine is going to be kind of thin, I want to double it up. I have not completely thought about this process yet, though, so I'm going to wing it. And see what we end up with. Not too bad, I don't guess. We'll see. Where did it? This is just dollar store twine. Dollar Tree, excuse me. And I have had it for years. I think every time I would, oh gosh, every time I would see they had like a new set, because they ended up having 3 or 4 different sets, I would get 2 packs of each. Because that's what hoarders do. Okay, then my idea was to back the cards with the, back the picture with the cards. I'll get it together here in a moment. Maybe, maybe not. We all know how this goes. Okay. Then I'm just going to do a little cluster. Ooh, yes. Cluster over to this side. Anyway, I use the cards because of the quote, obviously. And I don't think I have an issue with the fact that the cards are not going to the left and right. We'll see. I think I'm going to go down a little bit with this. My mat is like right on the edge where I put my ATG, and so it falls. It's not gonna work, it's too long. I have to put this right on the edge, I guess. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the TV on the other side of the wall. I say this multiple times, but my husband's not deaf, but might as well be. Okay, I'm going to trim this down just a bit. This is probably not a good idea. Uh-oh. Let's get the big honkin' wonkin' ones in here. There we go. Probably gonna look funky now, but oh well. Okay. So, got those. I wanted to add these for embellishments. And then I wanted to use this pack up and this pack up out of my stash to say I've got two. Oh, that's what I'm missing. My chair over here. Because I stand up when I do the videos, so I can put my ATG over there. Anyway, I've got these so I can say I used two up, hopefully. Nonetheless, I've got these. But I plan on doing a cluster out of and then just putting it down. Hope you guys are having a great day. I think I am. I'm just doing a video right before I head out to church. There's a humongous thunderstorm heading our way. And I love thunderstorms. They are the best, okay? I love them. They're so soothing to me. I don't know why. I used to be scared of them because it's like something you can't do anything about it, you know? Like hurricanes and tornadoes and stuff. If it's coming your way, it's coming your way, sweetheart. It ain't nothing you can do about it. That was one of the things that was really, really scary to me as a kid. Hearing my parents, well, my mom, talk about, you know, if we were having thunderstorm watch or something. That was something that would scare me, but worry me now, I should say. And it still worries me, but now I love me a thunderstorm. But before, I used to associate thunderstorms with hurricanes. And now I'm an adult, so I do not. Those pinks match almost identical. Yes. I got these in a Freckled Fawn blooper pack. And I don't want them to be overwhelming. But I do want to get them used up because of this fact right here. These little holes that I don't like dealing with. So I'm just going to sprinkle them all over the place. And I'll use the little one up top there. Wait. I used to use these in my planner. Back when I did my planner. That I no longer do. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use these red ones. To kind of incorporate just that red color. Oopsie. I think I'll pop this one down over here. Bonus. Now I don't think I'm going to get all of those used. I don't think I'm going to get any of these used. I don't think that's going to work. Oh well, I mean, the idea was to try. I got one sheet used, so that is a good thing, right? Right. No hard feelings if they don't get used. I did bring out these, so let's get some of these used up, right? Because, again, this is not a lovey-dovey type of layout. So, you know, I went with stars instead. Was my idea. Gonna bring in, keep with this orange, not really yellow, sort of gold feel. I'm gonna scoop that to cover that one there. Okay. How are we feeling about this, guys? I am... Ooh, love yourself today. This week. Today. Blue. That blue goes way up. Blue. Okay. That's gonna be too much. Nope, that works. Oh, yeah, a little bit too much. Okay. Can I sneak in another one of those? Nah, I don't think so. Don't want to use any of my cameras. I think I'll use some of my sprinklies. Get that plugged back up because it gets clogged quick. Gotta do pink because it just works so well with these ephemera pieces here. And I'll use green too. Ooh, green? No, hold on, blue. There we go. I'm gonna sprinkle these like I did on that last page. One up the side. And down the side here. Gotta put a few up here with you guys. What do we think? Glue, that's what we're thinking. I know, I hear you. I hear you guys. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry if I feel rushed. I guess I do kind of feel rushed when I'm doing the videos. Not intentional, but it's just my personality, I think. And I'm coming to the end of my books, and some of my pages, like this one, has a few too many squishies, but a little too much going on, so I leave it at night closed over with my ATG on top with a few things stacked on top to try and keep it pushed down. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you're having a great day. Tomorrow's Thursday. Whoop whoop. And then one more day till the weekend, baby. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Oh, you know what? Hold that thought while I got you on the line. Let's do a little border around our tag. Just a little something subtle. Give it a little definition there. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!